The future is here. We are standing on the brink of a new era, one that promises to transform every aspect of our lives. It's AI and it's amazing. Imagine a world where machines can think, learn and adapt just like humans. This isn't a distant dream, it's our reality. AI is changing the world from manufacturing to healthcare, from our homes to our workplaces. AI is making everything smarter and more efficient. It's changing how we live, work and play. In offices, AI tools are helping employees to be more productive. In our daily lives, AI assistants are making our routines easier and more enjoyable. And yes, it's changing how we make money, big time. Investors are using AI to analyze market trends and make smarter decisions. Businesses are leveraging AI to optimize operations and boost profits. AI is like having a super smart partner. It can assist in decision-making, provide insights, and even predict future outcomes with remarkable accuracy. It can analyze huge amounts of data. In seconds, AI can process information that would take humans years to understand. It can spot patterns humans miss. By identifying trends and anomalies, AI helps us to see the bigger picture and make informed decisions. It can make predictions with incredible accuracy, whether it's forecasting sales, predicting market movements, or anticipating customer needs. AI's predictive power is unparalleled. This is not science fiction. The advancements we are witnessing are real and tangible, impacting industries and lives across the globe. This is happening right now. At tech conferences, in research labs and in everyday businesses, AI is being integrated and utilized in innovative ways. And it's creating incredible opportunities for those who are paying attention. Entrepreneurs and investors are tapping into the AI market, exploring new ventures and reaping the benefits. Are you ready to unlock the wealth-building power of AI? Let's dive in. Together we'll explore how you can harness this revolutionary technology to transform your future. AI is a powerful tool. It's not just a buzzword, it's a game changer in the world of finance and business. Imagine having a partner that never sleeps, constantly analyzing data and providing you with insights that can transform your financial strategies. It can help you make money in many ways. From predicting market trends to optimizing your investment portfolio, AI can be your secret weapon in achieving financial success. Imagine having a partner who can predict the stock market, write best-selling novels, or even assist you in creating content that resonates with your audience. AI can analyze market data and predict trends with a level of accuracy that was previously unimaginable, or create stunning works of art. Artists are now using AI to push the boundaries of creativity, producing pieces that are both innovative and captivating. AI can help you explore new artistic horizons and bring your creative visions to life. That's the power of AI. It's not just limited to one field, its applications are vast and varied. Whether you're in finance, art, or any other industry, AI can provide you with tools and insights that can revolutionize your work. AI can analyze vast data sets and identify trends. This means you can make informed decisions based on real-time data, giving you a competitive edge in your field. It's like having a team of analysts working for you around the clock. It can create personalized marketing campaigns that really work. By analyzing consumer behavior and preferences, AI can help you tailor your marketing efforts to reach the right audience with the right message, increasing your chances of success. It can even automate tasks, freeing up your time to focus on what matters most, making money. The possibilities are endless. From automating mundane tasks to providing strategic insights, AI can help you streamline your operations and maximize your productivity. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an artist, or just looking for a new way to boost your income, AI has something to offer you. It's a versatile tool that can adapt to your needs and help you achieve your goals. Embrace the power of AI and unlock new opportunities for success in your personal and professional life. Imagine knowing what's going to be hot before anyone else. AI makes that possible. AI algorithms can analyze market trends, social media buzz, and even weather patterns to predict what products will be in high demand. This is invaluable information for entrepreneurs and investors. Imagine getting in on the ground floor of the next big thing. AI can help you spot those opportunities. Of course, no one can predict the future perfectly, but with AI on your side, you'll have a serious edge in the game of wealth creation. Okay, maybe not Shakespeare, but AI can write. It can generate blog posts, website content, even books. This is a goldmine for anyone who wants to create passive income streams. Imagine publishing a steady stream of ebooks on Amazon, or creating a network of blogs that generate advertising revenue. AI can help you do it all. And the best part, AI never sleeps. It can be creating content for you 24/7, even while you're asleep. That's the beauty of passive income. Section 5. AI can drive your business, literally. Self-driving cars are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They're here, and they're powered by AI. This technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation and logistics. Imagine a fleet of self-driving trucks delivering goods across the country 24 hours a day without the need for human drivers. The cost savings would be astronomical. And it's not just transportation. AI can optimize supply chains, manage inventory, and even personalize customer service. The possibilities for businesses are endless. Section 6. AI can create art, really? In today's world, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we think about creativity and art. AI is not just about numbers and data, it's about pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. It can also be creative. Imagine a machine that can paint, draw, and create visual masterpieces in real time. AI algorithms can generate stunning works of art, compose original music, and even design fashion. These algorithms analyze patterns, styles, and trends to produce unique and original pieces. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for artists and entrepreneurs. Artists can now collaborate with AI to enhance their creative process, while entrepreneurs can explore new business models. Imagine selling AI-generated art as NFTs, creating a new market for digital art collectors and enthusiasts. These digital assets can be bought, sold, and traded, adding value to the art world, or creating a fashion line based on AI designs. Fashion designers can use AI to predict trends, create innovative designs, and streamline the production process. The line between human and machine creativity is blurring. This collaboration between human intuition and machine precision is leading to groundbreaking works of art. And that's a beautiful thing. It means that art is no longer limited by human constraints. We can now explore new dimensions of creativity. It means we're entering a new era of artistic expression powered by AI. This era is characterized by innovation, collaboration, and endless possibilities. The future of art is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Section 7. AI can help you find love? Maybe. Okay, this one is a bit more speculative, but AI is already being used to personalize dating apps and match people based on compatibility. Imagine an AI that can analyze your personality, your interests, and even your dating history to find your perfect match. It's not as far-fetched as it sounds. Love might still be a mystery, but AI could give us a helping hand in finding it. Section 8. The risks and rewards of the AI gold rush. Like any gold rush, there are risks involved. AI is a powerful tool, and it's important to use it ethically and responsibly. There are concerns about job displacement, algorithmic bias, and the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. It's crucial to have open and honest conversations about these issues, but the potential benefits of AI are too great to ignore. By embracing AI responsibly, we can create a brighter future for everyone. Section 9. The future is AI. Are you ready? The AI revolution is just beginning. Those who embrace it will have a significant advantage in the years to come. This is not just about making money. It's about being part of something bigger than ourselves. It's about shaping the future with the power of technology. The future is AI. Are you ready to be a part of it? Section 10. Don't just dream it, AI it. So there you have it. The world of AI is vast and full of opportunity. Don't just sit on the sidelines. Dive in and explore. Learn about AI, experiment with it, and find ways to use it to achieve your goals. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an artist, or just someone who wants to make a difference, AI has something to offer you. Don't just dream it, AI it. The future is waiting.